The central theme of the article revolves around a political debate concerning the prioritization of interests, specifically whether U.S. citizens and victims of the drug trade or alleged drug boat traffickers are considered more important by lawmakers, particularly those in the Democratic Party. Congressional debate and prioritization. The report highlights that Republican and Democratic legislators on Capitol Hill were directly questioned about this issue of paramount importance. This inquiry surfaces in the context of recent lethal military strikes carried out by the U.S. against suspected drug smuggling vessels, primarily in the Caribbean and Pacific. Criticism of military actions. Democratic concerns. Some Democratic lawmakers have expressed frustration and annoyance regarding the lack of transparency from the administration concerning these strikes. They have raised questions about the legality and necessity of these actions, especially reports of second or third strikes that may have resulted in the deaths of shipwreck survivors. Demand for oversight. These concerns have led to demands for greater congressional briefings and oversight on the military's use of force against these vessels. This scrutiny appears to be motivated by a focus on due process and avoiding actions that could be considered war crimes. Administration stance and support. Counter-argument. The administration and its allies have staunchly defended the strikes, characterizing them as essential actions in the fight against narco-terrorists and the flow of deadly narcotics, especially fentanyl, into the U.S. Focus on drug victims. Proponents of the strikes emphasize the rising death toll among young Americans due to the opioid crisis, arguing that the immediate goal is to stop the cartels and protect U.S. citizens. They view the military action as a necessary and effective measure, with one commentator notably saying, "They don't need a briefing. Bad guys are dying. I like it." In essence, the news covers the deep political divide on Capitol Hill regarding border security, the war on drugs, and the ethical and legal parameters of lethal military engagement against drug traffickers at sea.